Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start selling handmade goods with Etsy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what handmade goods mean to you and your unique offerings. Research the market to understand what types of handmade products are currently popular. Identify your niche by considering your skills, interests, and the demand for specific items. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and potential pricing strategies. Source supplies needed to create your products, ensuring they are high quality and cost effective. Set up a dedicated workspace that is organized and conducive to creativity and productivity. Create a few sample products to showcase your craftsmanship and style. Take high quality photos of your products, ensuring they are well lit and aesthetically pleasing. Write compelling and accurate product descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of each item. Create an Etsy account and set up your shop by adding your shop name, logo, and policies. List your products on Etsy, using relevant keywords to optimize searchability. Price your products appropriately, considering costs, market trends, and perceived value. Promote your Etsy shop through social media platforms, online communities, and local events. Engage with customers by answering inquiries promptly and providing excellent service. Monitor your shop's performance using Etsy's analytics tools to adjust your strategies as needed. Gather feedback from customers and encourage reviews to build credibility and trust. Continuously refine your products and offerings based on market trends and customer preferences. Stay committed to your passion, and remember that building a successful Etsy shop takes time and persistence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.